Yo, what's going on, everybody? Coming at you guys with another one. How are you guys feeling today? Hopefully, everybody's feeling good, man. I'm chilling like a villain. You already know, but been a pretty smooth day, man. No complaints from me at all. Period. Hold on, let me throw on. Should I hit y'all with some space music today? The Ducks. I never like probably gotta be for this music, but I think I'm still gonna put it on anyway. Try to change it up a little bit. Let me know if y'all like this song. Should I feed the? You know what? I'm gonna give y'all a choice right off of the bat, man. So this one's called Acoustic Cinema. Let me know what y'all like as that background music. We got acoustic cinema up first, which is quite interesting. Well, then we have dance pop. Got more of a Jake Gagan vibe to it. We have daydreaming, which you may remember this from Hobbs video. Daydreaming definitely gives me the Hobbs vibes. I'm like, or the old-fashioned feeding the ducks. Should I bring the old-fashioned feeding the ducks back? Into space, as we previously heard before, we have Lofi vibes in the background, which I have used previously, which this actually this feeding the ducks, the daydreaming is probably one of the favorite ones. And we got night driving, because I'm not really the biggest rock guy in the world. I feel like that has just made me say some DMX stuff. So let me know what you guys are feeling, and let me see who's in the building. What's going on, Stevie? What's up, Stevie? What's going on, Omar? What's going on? What's going on, Alexa? And where's your picture with Justin Mano for? I think I got a couple of them. Did you want me to pull them up, or what's going on? What's going on, Ed? What's going on, Eddie? What's going on? How you feeling today? LOL sounds happy. Yeah, it didn't have like a different type of vibe to it on that one. What's good, Pizza Puff? DNA in the building, aka Pizza Puff, holding it down. What's good, my brother? Well, aka, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's my brother. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm pretty sure off of the Pizza Puff comments. I don't want to be I don't want to judge by the names. I did get treated there one time off a name there. It's skipping? What? This one is chill. Like, this one kind of gives me that vibe like I'm walking down a beach. Or, you know what I mean? Like, you know? Something about it. I want that picture added to your intro. It's not added in the intro. I could have sworn. Actually, that was one of the I actually sent a bunch of pictures, and I guess the person who made it kind of like put it what they wanted to put. What's going on, Corey? What's going on, Corey? And welcome to the building. How you feeling today, man? See, you got one of them Kishi apes, the KAs. Give them my own name, the Kishi apes. But let me check that out, man. You got me thinking. Do I not have him in the intro? Whose pictures do I have? Yeah, so we're gonna take a brief second to do some homework really quick, because I just want to see who do I have in this intro. Hold on, let me turn the night vibe off. Yeah, Bud. Okay. Mr. Dan and Vern. Baby Cakes. Yeah, boy, looking to the stars, man. It was a good night. It was warm. Bree in the building. Looking fresh, Miami vibes. Yeah, he do it. Them braids were crispy. That lining was hitting that day. The lining was hitting that day. Yeah, so I gave him a bunch of pictures, and it seems like he did a bunch of repeats. I am trying to tell you. I am getting a couple I want to get at least like two more intros done, just to change it up on y'all. Every once in a while I come in with that intro, then you never know. You know what I mean? I got one that actually matches the outro, so I might. Hey, Alexa, look, I got proof. Look, I'm gonna run that back just for Alexa. Alexa, if you pay attention, Justin is in the picture with me, Vern, and Michael Thompson. Right there, bam, right there. You see it? Damn, I done said Alexa too many times. Now I got Alexa talking in the background, boy. Hey, Alexa, go on, cut that out. You hear this? Y'all, can y'all hear that? I ain't gonna say nothing else. Look, I like you, but I can't say your name no more. It's just not conducive to my household. What's going on, Randolph? What's up, Randolph? I did definitely see that there was an instant repeat of that one. I don't know what's going on. I went with the vibe. I like it. It was chill. The music got me. What's going on, Miss D Nice? What's going on? And let me which song did you guys pick? You guys gotta let me know which song did you guys end up picking as far as what you guys you know what I'm saying? What you guys feeling about, man? It ain't nothing better than a crispy line, and man, you're definitely correct about that one. Was feeling it. Okay, you saw him? Yeah, because you know what I'm saying? Like, it's depending on how the picture was swinging, you know what I'm saying? Like, you could only see his ankles at first. So it swung, it was nothing but Justin ankles, and then it swung up some more, and then it started to show his face. So that's cold blood. And Justin was no what? No, first of all, the second one, Corey, did you peep the second one? Justin ankles was all in the picture. His ankles, and he did have his chin was in the picture for a little bit. I didn't know that the picture was gonna swing out that at that angle. She Alexa actually pointed it out, and it's actually you know what I mean? The happy-go-lucky one that you started with at the beginning. The happy-go-lucky one. Which one was it? Into space. You talking about this one? This is like it's a hard knock life. Got the highs to it. You know what I mean? You talking about this one, Stevie? This is how you put it. Just killed me. The happy-go-lucky one. Yeah, but I'm gonna stop talking about Justin ankles. He is not here to defend himself, and Alexa only knows so much about his ankles, so I'm gonna leave his ankles out the situation. But like I said, how are you guys feeling today? How is your cryptocurrency journey as of today? Things were down a little bit earlier. We were at about 2,700 as far as for Ethereum. Bitcoin was down a little bit further. It did go back up a bit, so it's been bouncing back up. Sound like a NY vibe. Okay, NY throwback. Okay, I can dig it. Yeah, it do sound like somebody's supposed to come out of nowhere and just start spitting knowledge, right? Just out of nowhere, like bars, like Nas just pop up. Yeah, but I'm fan of this one. I'm gonna start fluctuating between these because it seems like these are gonna be the only ones that do not immediately get me demonetized. So we'll be sticking with and fluctuating from those. But today, guys, normally I have something prepared for the day. Today I came on to kind of kick it with you guys and kind of absorb what you guys have going on as far as investments. So my question to you guys is, what are you guys investing into right now? NFT or cryptocurrency wise? We can pull it up, check out the chart, see how it's looking right now. I know the cryptocurrency world is down right this second, but there are still ways to pay attention to signs that we got a solid chart there. If it's looking a little shaky, a little questionable, we have no motion, because there should still be some type of volume within the project. Most times projects that do kind of like freeze for a little bit, then pop out of nowhere. Okay, word. Yeah, most definitely can do that. Yeah, I already know what you were talking about, Stevie. I gotta get that situated. Like you said, man, for Stevie to want to get an NFT, I definitely have to tap in with it. Stevie never wants to get an NFT, so That just makes things that much more critical. So, and let me know if the music is too loud also. What's going on, baby fat? What's up and how are you feeling today? And not doing too much, man. Just checking out these charts, seeing what's, did not mean to start at, seeing what's going on right now. Seems like we're still consolidating as far as shaman, which is not a bad thing at all, period. Just because they were previously down, the buyback got them up and they started to trend a little bit. Now they consolidated at a higher point. So I'm a fan of consolidations at higher points, especially when we're in a down market. So it's kind of holding up right now. Like I said, still retaining at zero. So we'll see how it progresses chart wise as far as shaman and what they do, because like I said, there are some catalysts coming. The game is close to being out as far as a beta. I'm pretty sure there are different features they've already seen. I've seen different clips and things of the sort, which I'm actually impressed about. You guys have seen the different trailers they released, so you know, trying to give it a little bit of time, because like I said, the market is not the best right now. It really and truly isn't. As you can see, Altcoin kind of in the red right now today also. Normally it's up at the very least about 5% or so, but the market is a little bit different right now, and the other side did take a lot of the glow away from that. Where let's go to that really quick. I want to see how much volume that's at right now. What's this? Did you correct it and still spell it wrong? Nah, Omar. Tell me you just squared it to morphine. What's going on, Silver? What's up? Oh my God, yeah, it's at 200. It's at 200,000 ETH. Although the floor did fall a little bit. You know, the floor was at about 5 ETH. So that's interesting. Yeah, he had to look. Hey, Stevie, he had to just had gone ahead and hit that morphine up. He was like, I'm gonna hit this morphine and spell real quick, because I don't know what that looked like. Boy,
look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Boy, why you spell that like that, boy? Oh man. Yeah, man. So I don't know what we gotta do, baby fat. I don't know. We gotta go out there in the fields and find one, you know what I mean, and kick this off, or what? You know what I mean? So I'm trying to tell you. Omar with morphine, you'll see green candles only. Yeah, man. Morphine is definitely something different. But man, guys, some of this volume on the other side is not crazy. And some of these things are getting bought for way more than 3.5 Ethereum, which 3.5 Ethereum is already a high ticket. Man, bro. This is like buying one of those NFTs and like hitting the lottery. Like it's literally like hitting a lottery ticket if you got the right one. Just look at the sales of these NFTs. 11 ETH right here, $31,000. And that was 2 minutes ago. Like all of this money is exchanging hands like as we speak this very second. Like at the very least about $10,000. $10,000 is the limit to what you really see being paid out right now. And Stevie, we already know you allowed to misspell as many things as possible, just because like if you come in this chat misspelling stuff, we do give you one freebie Stevie pass. You get a Stevie pass. I probably won't click on and pull your comment up just because you get a Stevie pass just for participating, joining, and subscribing and hitting that like button. You get a free Stevie pass just for doing those. So participation points, you know what I mean? So Stevie gets a pass. Ain't nobody else come in here just really misspelling stuff like that. Like, please use something that's gonna help. But man, as I'm scrolling through here, man, this is just, I was thinking about grabbing one, and Omar was like, nah, don't do it. But what if it, I should have remembered what number it was so I can go back, because this sold for 20 ETH. And if it was that, oh my God, this sold for 29 ETH. This gotta be one of the best ones in there or something. It's got a coda and a brimstone. I don't know what that exactly means. But I know that they were saying that it depends on the location of them and how close it was to the clubhouse, which is owned by the Bored Ape. So if it's close to the clubhouse, it's more valuable, I guess. Right. Make sure you, man, please let your phone predict it. Don't even, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Omar definitely supposed to be in bed, like letting his morphine kick in. You know what I'm saying? So it's a light week, man. It ain't bull run just yet, man. But who in here has been crypto shopping at all, period? Or are you waiting to see if the market is going to stabilize? Are you guys waiting to see signs of a bull run? What will get you guys actively trading right now, currently? Because as of right now, these NFT prices is what's really got me wanting to actively trade. Like these, like people are literally paying an arm and a leg for these things, and I know they're having a secondary mint, which really makes me want to prepare for it. I don't know if they have to do something for the gas fees, so I don't know if I want to pay 1 Ethereum. I don't know, the price, it just depends. Like, man, if I get one of these ones that sells for 32 Ethereum, which is almost like 90K, I don't think I would really mind the 1 Ethereum gas fee that much. Or I could try to buy a secondary where people put it and just pay with ApeCoin, which I've heard if you pay with ApeCoin due to the contract that they have, possibly with either OpenSea, or I don't know if it's with the other side, but they have a contract where you use ApeCoin, the fees are way cheaper. Like way cheaper. I really wanted to find the most expensive one that was recently, never mind. So 100 and damn, that's ridiculous. The highest offer on this one is 75 Ethereum, which is $200,000. This one sold for, what was it? 166 Ethereum. Like, I really need to I need to look into these more and see, because once they have run number 2, I don't know about y'all, but I would like for the bull run to kick in. Because you definitely I feel like at this point I'm gonna need a bull run to kick in, a regular run, a mid run, and then I'll be ready to go. Because I have a feeling that these, I'm gonna track these, I feel like these are going to go in upwards of over 100 Ethereum. Like that one sold for 166 early in the game. A lot of these other ones are going to do the same, which is why people have no problem paying 3 Ethereum. So I feel like the floor may end up being 100 Ethereum. The special ones are going to be way more. Just my personal opinion. But what projects you guys out there invested into, man? Let me dig into y'all portfolio. I show you some items that I'm invested into. Well, pretty much not all of them, because I am investing into other things. Maybe I'll show you a couple different things that I'm investing into also. Maybe explain to you why that kind of intrigued me. But what's a different cryptocurrency that we don't normally talk about that you guys are currently invested into? Who's got one for me? Curious. See what other one I got on my repertoire. See how BCFA is doing. Talking about baby does. Don't laugh. Okay, baby fat want to look at baby does. Just all the babies. All right. That's on BSC. Let's look at the baby does. Let's see. I've at one point I actually invested into in baby does also. This is actually the Ethereum one actually. Were you speaking of one on Ethereum or BSC? Because I know there's one on the BSC too. See, there's two different ones, baby fast. So you have to specify as far as this one. That's a interesting list. Definitely can tap definitely a couple of those. I know Omar said Tarp. Omar loves the Tarp. Trick love the kids. So like I said, keep in mind, guys, cryptocurrency is down currently right now. So this joint been out for a while. You done size this joint down just a little bit. So this one don't look horrible. So this is about the about the floor of that joint right there. Start point, if you will, for it. It retraced a little bit. It looks like there was a little bit of a downtrend. This may be due to the market also, but it also looks like people are buying little bits at a time of it. Definitely no huge amounts, just small buys right now, which a lot is probably contributed to the market right now. A lot of people are not throwing large amounts into the market. Me personally, looking at this chart right now, looking at how small these buys are right this second, I probably wouldn't throw in right this second, just because, you know what I mean? Like it's downtrending. I don't really know if this would be considered finding a bottom or not, because it still looks like it's still kind of downtrending. It looks like it tried to find a weak support, but I will still wait a second. Kind of, you know what I mean? Feel that out. So I guess you can almost call this like a weak support level right there for that joint, which it doesn't look like it had too much action around that range. So I would definitely wait it out, see if it maybe consolidates at this point, because as of right now it is downtrending. What's going on, Cool and Chris? What's up? Okay, so you were talking about BSC. Cool. Hey, that Doge Cola was that one that was that Elon, right? Was that the one from the Elon post? I think it was. And say to really chart on Dex tools just yet. I know Mandox is one that I can check out. Since I'm on BSC, I'm gonna go ahead and check out Tarp really quick, just because my boy put it up. On a 1-day chart, so cut this out. This is about the floor right there. So let me say this first of all. So first of all, Tarp had probably one of the strongest launches that I have seen in some time. Just because you don't really see launches doing this. Like it burned like I think like 3 zeros at launch. So it already came straight up, shot up, had a very small sell-off, and just continued to rocket up that entire time. And it stayed there for some time, and then it started to decrease, you know what I mean? And it dropped down. People really had heavy buying pressure back for it. It dropped down, you know what I mean? And this is probably when the market sentiments kind of changed a bit, it seems, because it started to downtrend a little bit. Buys kind of brought it back, and then you know what I mean? The market once again kind of kicks in, and it's kind of in a I would call this like I mean, I guess technically it would still be considered a downtrend in a sense, but it's still like there's not a whole lot of volume right this second. Like even right now, there's only there's 5K right now for daily volume. So I can't really call it a consolidation. If there was more volume, I would probably say it would probably be in like a consolidation period, but people are still making a decision right now to make small buys or sales. So it's still in a slight downtrend, but they did recently start they started doing that staking with Brew Labs. So I feel like them doing the staking with Brew Labs is going to help them a lot. So look at Omar. It looks horrible, but it will go up. Yeah, I have faith in Tarp. So Tarp is one of those projects that I still most definitely have faith in. So I'm not giving up on them. If anything, I'm just gonna, because I actually just remember right now, which I need to do that. I need to stake my Tarp. I still have my Tarp bag. How about taking a little bit of profits here? When it was a little bit higher up, I did get up. I got in like as soon as it launched, so I did take a little bit of profits. I did dollar cost average in. I think probably on this decline, and I kind of wanted it to find some type of bottom. I thought it might have found a bottom around this range, which it kind of bobbled around this range for a little bit, and I probably got in around this down point, and yeah, it's probably been bobbling from there, and like I said, kind of downtrending. So it's really due to a lack of volume. So I feel like once they come out with something as far as a catalyst, Tarp will be back moving and shaking again. So it'll be back moving and shaking again. I have faith in Tarp, so I don't think anything's going on with that one. I like the odds of that one. It did go up 2,000% in a day. That joint was trucking. That's probably one of the first. No, not first. I'll say like this, one of the last launches that we've seen that really did those type of numbers. Unless you guys can tell me another launch that really did those type of numbers, except for I think Terrarium's launch was not bad either. Their launch was pretty solid also. Who else do I have? So let me write these down before this scrolls up. So we got Mandox, Vote, Everrise. Which Stevie, you're gonna have to specify as far as Everrise. You know, Everrise is on like 18,000 chains. Which network are you invested in as far as Everrise? And I don't see if you guys have any other ones, you can throw them in the chat now. We can I don't mind checking those out either. But like I said, this one as far as Tarp is a bit down right this second. They did go ahead and put that beta out for their NFT marketplace. So I know that they have some things that are going to be coming into play. I do check out Moonshot when he does come on, talk about the market, speak about Tarp. Him and Matt were on today. I checked in with them also today. So they just recently got some new exchanges, so got some new volume. So Tarp is definitely doing a thing, but it's a down market right now, and there's not a lot of money inside of the market besides the money that is circulating around in circles with people kind of chasing green candles. And as of right now, there are no huge candles as far as Tarp right now, so nobody's really kind of throwing money in this direction just yet. But when some of the bigger utilities hit, the Tarp reader comes out, the NFT marketplace, as long as that's solid and people actually agree with the terms of listing and everything, so in the payment method. So I think this definitely has a lot of potential because it is kind of tapping into a different market and trying to help investors. So that will probably be something that that gets highlighted a lot. What else we got? So Mandox on the Ethereum network. So bang bang. Yeah, they did do a contract change. I think it's this one. The one that doesn't look like a rug pull. Okay, well maybe not this one. Hey Steve, you know the last four of that one? I think I clicked on this one. So bam, this one. Oh whoa, no, this is the all right, team has taken 104 ETH. So yeah, nah, so this is the old Mandox, which yeah, that's when they took the liquidity out. That makes sense. I mean that the first one is the right one at. Damn. All right, so I'm gonna have to make this joint bigger for this. Damn, that made it worse. Let me spread this out. Hey, I thought I was tripping for a second until I saw the red banner at the top. You know what I mean? But to each his own. So what this looks like to me is pretty much. I know Mandox came out. It was an NFT at first, and from it being an NFT, they kind of graduated to coming out with their own cryptocurrency, and they've been coming out with different sections of a 10,000 collection. So their NFTs sold out recently. I think they're coming out with another one. But as of right now, this is one of those things where, like I told you guys, it is still currently in a downtrend. So that can be due to a couple different situations. It can be due to the market. It can be due to a lack of advertisement. It can be due to people kind of losing faith within the cryptocurrency. It can be due to a lot of things. So I do not have enough knowledge to know of that. If you guys know anybody inside of Mandox and they wanna definitely run through some things, I definitely got some questions that I can maybe they can address. You know what I mean? Maybe we'll set up an AMA. But it looks like it tried to find a bottom around this range. Let me make the line thicker. Yeah, the thick red line, you feel me? Keep it solid. All right, so it tried to find some support around this range, and then it kind of, you know what I mean, kind of rejected that. Then it also tries around this range to find a little bit of support, but it seems like that that also was getting rejected. You said there's a few reasons why that happened. Yeah, so I felt like, hey, Cool and Chris, man, hey, at any given time, man, you more than welcome to pop on, man. I can shoot you an invite, man, if you wanna pop on here too, bro. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm just kicking it today, going through a couple of different cryptocurrencies. Like I said, man, I don't have specific reasoning, and I don't like I said, unless I have specific info or reasoning, I don't like down talking any cryptocurrency. But just looking at the chart, if somebody was like, hey, check this chart out, I really think you should invest in this. This is probably, I wouldn't invest in this right this second. One, just because it's this is pretty much the floor. We came into the basement, and this is another joint where we kind of hit that seller range. So I need to see, you know what I mean, some marketing, some type of recovery, some sign of recovery as far as the chart, and some sign of a reversal for me to really want to invest in. As of right now, it's kind of still downtrending, but the market sentiments are kind of messed up right now. So definitely, so that's Mandox. So we big ticker with that joint. Let me move this out the way. What else do we have on votes? They vote on BSC and it was on both. Check out vote. Vote's not looking bad. There was a little bit of a retracement, but I actually like to see I like to see healthy retracements. Not, I mean, just to be honest with you guys, you know what I mean? It just is healthy for the chart for it to retrace a little bit. I keep clicking on the star. So yeah, retrace just a little bit. So let me see if I can smack a couple keys on. So retrace about right there. So it is this is also, like I said, the market sentiments are not the best in the world right this second. So this is currently in a little bit of a downtrend. It looks like it's trying to find a little bit of a bottom, probably go back up from here. I don't know. That depends on volume and how they you know what I mean, and how often they buy this one or what else they put out. I know they did have some rumors going around about them being listed on crypto.com, and also that they want to be listed on several exchanges within a month's period of time. So that may drive the volume a little bit as far as vote. So I'm curious to actually look into them. Also, like I said, if y'all know any of these deals or anything like that, man, let them know, man. They more than welcome to come on here, do an AMA, and we can, you know what I mean? We can check them out, man. Run them through the checklist, see what's going on in the background, see what's going on with the token contract, all that good stuff. But, and of course, future catalysts. But yeah, so it looks like I said, it looks like it's trying to find some type of resistance. Word, no problem, bro. Man, it is open at all times. Definitely let me know. Always open offer, my brother. I cannot confirm nor deny that, sir. But yeah, so vote's not looking bad. So I mean, the market's down right now, so vote is down a little bit right now. So I mean, it's only to be expected. So does not look bad at all. Next one, send 0. This was not bad. It looks like when it first came out, it pumped hard. You know what I mean? Like it first came out, it had a couple sales, some bigger buys, some volume came in. People were taking their profits in between the volume coming in, but it was still, as you can see, it's higher highs and higher lows on this one. So it was uptrending for a bit. This wasn't even like it happened in one spill. Like this is almost like it looks pretty organic as far as like the growth. But it was a spike up, and then it kind of had a sell-off. You know what I mean? They were kind of fighting right here to kind of see where it was going to go. It could have went up or down. It ended up going down a little bit, and it looks like it was trying to consolidate. So this one doesn't look bad though. It does not look bad. I will have to look into the contract, tokenomics, and some other things like that. But it does not look bad. Pumped a little bit, and it seems to be trying to find a level to create for a floor for this one. So wouldn't be an interesting one to pay attention to or map. But yeah, it doesn't look horrible. About 24K in volume. It could be some more volume. So GOAT token. That was another one I've been hearing people talk about frequently. That's gonna be interesting also, especially with the affiliation that they had with King's broadcast. Also, I want to see if that's gonna be an issue, but we'll see. What isn't like? Is it with the periods in between it? I think. Yeah, this is it right here. Yeah, so it's gonna be there's a lot of controversy with tokens that the King's broadcast is being affiliated with, which is why Phantom kind of, you know what I mean, cut ties with them. I mean, chart wise, it does not look the most horrible in the world. It did have a slow takeoff, but when it did take off, it kind of, you know what I mean, it went up a little bit, had a sell off, bounced off of a level of support there, kind of chilled for a little while, had another sell off, and then it's kind of fighting above that point. So my thoughts is it's probably going to come back down to this point right here, this support level. That will probably be a level that it probably plays around with for a little while, unless the sentiments of what those other cryptocurrencies kind of had to deal with comes back, because it was all type of weird videos and stuff out there, and you know how people feel about things. Once you start to see things, you can't unsee things. And if you have an affiliation with any projects, man, they kind of lump you all into one boat, man. This cryptocurrency market is unforgiving. Unforgiving. I'm not gonna lie to you. But sometimes it is harder to recover when certain things happen, but it'll be interesting to see how this one does react, or even if the team wants to reach out. That would be an interesting AMA also. So definitely. But as of right now, with the chart, I mean, with the market being how it is, it doesn't look horrible. The chart does not look horrible. You say you bought 2K you bought 2K for 1 billion tokens. So, okay, so you spent 2K for 1 billion tokens on which one? Which one are we speaking of? What's up with Koa Combat? Is it still breathing? Let's check on Koa. But to my knowledge, of course, is still breathing there. What's going on, Selmo? What if you put your screen upside down? Looks hella good. Yeah. I haven't even heard of that one. And yeah, the market is unforgiving and cutthroat. Like, they do not be caring, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. All right, so it looks all right. So let me pull out my handy dandy notebook real quick. So let's get a starting range real quick. So we got a starting range right there. Let's make the chart bigger so we can look at it. So as you guys know, Koa Combat was a actually my line's a little bit it was a little bit off. It's okay. Y'all know it. I was trying to go for the bottom right here, so I'm not even gonna redo it. But you guys know that Koa Combat it came out as a V2. So the reason it came out as a V2 because the first one was a rug pull, so that kind of took a hit on the sentiments of Koa Combat. They came out with the V2 contract through Tarp, Blackgate Holdings, which is a business that's through Max, who is affiliated with Saitama. So everybody got a little bit more confidence, even though it was a rug pull the first time. And you know what I mean? The team was definitely working hard trying to get things done. There was another issue to where people really didn't get a lot of what they were supposed to. and you know what I mean, also kind of ruining the trust and the sentiments of how people felt about core combat. So this one really comes down to a community aspect, because I know you guys are looking at this wick that is at the top of the sky right here. So this, I mean, this essentially, yeah, I mean, from that point right there was sold off. I'm not even gonna pull my ruler out, because that's a lot right there, as far as like meat and potatoes is kind of missing. So it did most definitely try to find a level of support right here, and it did get rejected, because it right now currently it's another situation. Like I told you, it can be a situation where it's the market, or you know what I mean, so a lot of different things. So I'm curious chart wise, you know what I mean, how it's gonna go, if it's gonna find a floor. I know they do have staking through Brew Labs. The staking will help normally normalize a chart and help it find a floor and stop the downtrend. I know also they have mentioned multiple different times, which they tell people in their Telegram, that there are different times that it's not even really investors that are selling. Is that their marketing wallet is in tokens, so they have to sell native token even with the chart being down to still do marketing. So sometimes it's kind of a situation to where they have no choice but to continue marketing, to continue the advancement of the token, or the supplement line that they came out with, or the betting platform, or the game. So they have to go through different steps and kind of pay for all of that stuff. So even with the chart being down and no money really building up as far as that marketing wallet, they still have to be able to pay for things to advance the token. So it's a tricky situation. A lot of the people are definitely okay with it. That Telegram is very active, and you know what I mean, they're trying their best to recover. Once again, the market is down, so this downtrend may be due to the market currently right now, or you know what I mean, just the sentiments as far as the community aspect of it, which I feel like right now Core Combat is building up a bigger community than it was originally. People are starting to have a little bit more interest seeing what they're trying to do as far as the supplements, the different fights, the advertisements that they're trying to put up. So they're trying to come back from a deficit. Unfortunately, they're fighting an uphill battle just because of how people felt originally from the V1 rug pull to not originally getting the amount of tokens that they were supposed to have. So and also to Omar is still upset about the 19K worth of giveaways, which I said, I was told that they were waiting for a certain amount of time with some tokens to unlock. So I don't know anything about the 19K giveaway just now. So they may still be doing it. They may not be doing it. I do not know or have knowledge on that one. But Core Combat will be launching the workout supplements and movie/documentary soon, and a sports betting. Yeah, they have the like I said, they have the sports betting, so they can bet on sports. It's supposed to be a virtual reality aspect to it also. From what I heard, sounds like Scarred and Deb. That was sad. She's what? What you mean on this one? What's going on? I don't think I understand this message. You're gonna have to explain this one to me. I was praying this one. Oh, almost. What's going on, Red Dolphin? Thank you for that $5 super chat. Remember, 6 months and 15 days. Time has been flying, man. I definitely appreciate all of those times, days, hours that you guys have tuned in, man. So it's been fun. It has most definitely been fun in good ways for us to actually learn as far as the market. Also, I feel like. But yeah, I would say just because we have seen way worse charts just previously, you know what I mean, just chart wise, which the chart is not always everything. They still have $655,000 in liquidity right now, so they still have a lot of meat to play with. They have money. They should be building up money as far as the marketing wallet, as people start to buy and sell and transact as far as the supplements. The documentary, I'm sure, will have some type of fee maybe to it. You know what I mean? The betting platform will build some type of revenue and they'll burn the token. I'm sure of it. So there's going to be different things. It's like right now it's low, but we'll check back in and see how it ends up doing a little bit later on in its lifespan. So see how that ends up working out. Anybody else put anything else in the chat that I missed? That's how you feel about this is one that we checked out yesterday, Mandox. So a lot of people are not the biggest fans of pre-sales as of right now, just because what's been happening in the pre-sale. So Mandox has not been catching the best of action right now, but as you guys can see, it is trying its best to kind of bounce back. So probably call that maybe the floor. Maybe we'll see. As far as this is the Ethereum side, it did launch on Ethereum and BSC, so I will have to sit and see, you know what I mean, how this does, because it looks like it's been rejected a couple times at this resistance line right here. So I kind of want to see how it acts, or maybe some news to come out so I can see a real sign of reversal. It's not bad, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I mean, it's just a lot of buys, and I'm not really seeing it going over the line of resistance just yet. So kind of like to see things like that, you know what I mean? We kind of break through it and, you know what I mean, see a real sign of reversal, because it could kind of retrace back to this line of support right here. And then investing right here, we'll be technically investing in the top at the, well, not at the, well, I guess essentially at the top, when you could have invested down here around this range where it seems to be developing a stronger level of support at this time. But we'll see how the chart goes. It depends on volume. So that's the Ethereum side. Oh, I want the government embrace Bitcoin. They hate the idea. Yeah, man, they definitely they don't want to work right now, but it's all good, man. What am I looking at? This the BNB, right? Yep, BNB. So this one came down, so we got into the basement a little bit. We got below the floor. It's still below the floor currently right now. It bounced off this level of support. Same thing with this one. Especially with the market like this, I kind of feel like it may retrace a little bit unless some news comes out, some more volume comes into it, you know what I mean? It probably will retrace to or around this range. Not financial advice at all. Where's my banner? You feel me? But yeah, just how I feel about the situation, it may retrace depending on volume or news. That could change that at any point. It could turn around and go up depending on what type of news they get or what added volume, you know what I mean? You never know when things could be added to the menu. But either way, as far as launches have been going on so far, this one doesn't look the most horrible in the world. The Phantom project, for those who are staking, will come out looking good, to be honest. So let me see. I haven't even looked at Phantom today. Yeah, I heard the percentages for Phantom were high. So that's definitely something that people are going to benefit on, regardless if the chart is low or not. It doesn't really seem to be too much going on, not too much. It just was a 0.25 buy, which is not bad. 0.5 buy not too long ago, one Ethereum buy 0.5. So people are still buying it. It's definitely not a rug pull. I wouldn't say that because it has 1.5 million in not in Ethereum, but in liquidity right now. So it'd be really hard to be calling this one a rug pull. They just have to kind of do something to turn this around, because as of right now, there is no volume. They do have volume, it's just it ends up being negative situation or somebody selling because they see liquidity coming back into the project. There just needs to be something to entice people besides the staking platform. But I feel like a lot of people are probably buying it just for the staking platform. But yeah, so I don't know. So I feel like that the staking platform will work for a while until too many people get on it. The percentages start going down and pools have to be spread out a little bit thinner. So I don't know. So we'll see how this one goes too. But yeah, this one's in the cellar also. So not really the basement. Went past the basement. We're in the cellar on this one on another level. So there are actually a couple projects like that also. Mandox was actually really close to the cellar. It did reverse a bit. So not too horrible. Let me see. Oh my God, I almost had a heart attack. I thought I had to check my post. I accidentally clicked on YouTube and I looked at Justin's thumbnail and he actually took a different picture. Thought I was having a stroke for a little bit. Shout out to Justin and his different thumbnail. Hey, and Long Dart's on there talking about what up, Stevie. He already put a comment up there, Stevie. So if you were wondering, trying to be early on that one. The chart is so deep, it's it's about to hit China. He said Shaman King. Well, it was Shaman King. It's Shaman just now. I actually just recently was talking about Shaman. So Shaman is actually holding up well, considering it previously was down. So as of right now, it did have a 50% day that was contributed a lot to the buyback that was initiated. So they did strategically plan that buyback and wait until Shaman did hit a floor. So once Shaman hit a floor and they felt like it kind of was consolidating, and it built a strong level of support, they initiated the buyback, which in turn kind of initiated more buys, driving the chart up. As you can see, making a healthy floor for consolidation. It could have come right back down to this range if there was a lot of selling pressure, but still people are believing in the project, waiting for the catalyst of it to come out. So there is a higher floor to this now, and it is retaining that zero that it did lose. So I'm actually pretty happy with this one, just because it's consolidating at higher points, and I'm hoping that it kind of keeps building strong levels of support and keeps going up from there. I wouldn't mind a little bit of organic growth, but some more marketing is on the way also. Yeah, the buyback mechanism is actually what I feel like made this transaction as organic as it did. I feel like one of these longer or bigger buys right here was a buyback, and then people kind of took over from there with smaller buys, making it go up, little sell, and then it continued to kind of uptrend, and it was a little bit of sell-off. You already know people are going to take profits because they do not know. It was a 50% day in a down market. People don't know how long that's going to continue. So in how the market has been lately, with a lot of rug pulls, the fact that it is not a bull run, it's a bearish market, and people are not making as much money as usual. People have been taking more profits than usual than you will see usually, just because there's not too many runs that continue in a bearish market, just because everybody's thinking the same thing. Okay, how long is this gonna go? I have to collect profits before the next person collects profits. So it's really a race during a bearish market as far as like things running up. No matter how solid the project is, I'm starting to notice that some more solid projects, like I'll have to say like Sky Token. Sky Token is another solid project along with Shaman. But as you can see, man, they started at like I think like 30 or 40 cents, but they're still up in the $3 range. They just previously were at like $4.20. So it did retrace a little bit, which I was actually expecting because it did go up kind of high due to a Twitter space and some announcements of partnerships. So you know what I mean? So you expect to retrace when it goes up that high, but and then the market's down also. So we'll see how this one ends up going. I might be tapping in a little bit with this one too. And Corey getting tacos out here in these streets, man, and not sharing, man. What's going on with that, Corey? What's going on with the lack of tacos this way, bro? What's going on, James Ryan? What you got going on? What's up? How you feeling today? My bad, I was checking on something. You want me to check on Archie Nico? Yeah, if you guys have any other tokens, go ahead and throw them in the chat. I'll check out a couple more. Then I'm probably gonna check and see if I got any offers on these NFTs. See if there's anything going on as far as the NFT world, man. I probably won't hold you guys too much longer, man. But if you guys have another cryptocurrency, go ahead and throw it in there. Let me pull up Archie. They gonna tell me it's no. And stuff. Yeah, we just went through Vote's looking solid. There was a little bit of a retracement, but I mean the market is down right now. Somebody took like 63 Ethereum in profits. They pretty much got their bag out. So you know what I mean? Anybody interested in a knockoff 8 NFT? Nah, probably not, big fella. Probably not. Archie is looking like it did previously. There's a little bit more volume than there was previously, but I think they had an event or something going on. So this portion right here that's pretty much in between these red lines, we're not gonna see it go below this portion, I don't think, just because this is like the pre-sale and the like dev wallet and stuff that's locked up as far as liquidity. The rest of the tokens are out circulation. They are kind of bobbling on this line. There's not the most volume going through RT right now. A lot of it might be the higher taxes that people are kind of not normal to. There's a 20% buy fee, a 25% exit fee as far as the sale. So a lot of people are not looking to that. And like I said, people are kind of looking for money right this second. So not really more so looking for a long-term investment right this second in the bearish market. Not a lot of people. Some people are. Some people are kind of looking for returns a little bit faster. So I can probably see why that's one of the situations. That and they don't really have interest in being on exchanges, which is kind of interesting and is a different method because they want to do their own blockchain. So I did have them on for an AMA. Wouldn't be bad to have some type of follow-up. I actually have additional questions, but we'll let them be for now and see how their chart ends up as we get towards bullish ranges. What's going on, Saitama over? Yeah, man, it was a buy party is actually it is a smart idea as far as to build volume up as far as your project, maybe even to find a higher floor within a situation. You know what I'm saying? Like It looks like it tried to find a higher support level here, but it kind of broke past that. So it's probably coming down to this right here, which is pretty much like a little bit lower than the original start. So like I said, see how that ends up panning out, man. Yeah. Anytime Omar is on morphine, he's more than okay. More than okay. Eddie loves the vote. Yeah, man, Vote's supposed to be getting a lot of decent value, man, as far as a lot of exchanges. There were rumors of crypto.com. It would be really interesting to see Vote on crypto.com. I feel like then, yeah, of course, it's gonna rocket. It might have some things, some sentiments as far as Shiba had, man. Shiba took off when it hit crypto.com. Check out BTFA. That had a little bit of a retracement also, but I figured as much. With normally when you have different cryptocurrencies, same thing is like if you have a Genesis collection as far as NFT, and you know what I mean, you come out with another collection, just like the Apocalyptic Ape Queens and Apocalyptic Apes. The Apocalyptic Apes have gone down a little bit as far as floor price, which is actually a pretty good entry price. Not financial advice, but it went down a little bit. So there is a lot of people buying the Queen Apes, kind of trying to get in position before those kind of run up. And then I feel like the Genesis, the first Genesis, the OGs are actually going to benefit from the money in the market also. That and wants to implement staking and all that good stuff. So. Yeah, definitely want to see Omar in the nightclub in the metaverse. But yeah, BTFA still looking pretty decent though. Okay. Like I said, there's a lot of different cryptocurrencies out there, man. I'm about to start investigating some different ones, man. Yeah, Omar was in a bike accident, man. So he's been out of it for a little while, man. Been trying to stay in touch, man. Make sure he's all good, man. He's good, guys. He's got his morphine over there, so he's chilling, laid back, relaxed, trying to heal up. But yeah, if you guys got any more cryptocurrencies, man, this kind of chill type of vibe we had going on, man. Kind of kicking it, man. Tomorrow I'll have some actual some info lined up for you guys. We can go over a couple of different current events that are going on, just a couple of different things we can actually check out. So check out some things, see what's going on. NFC side of the world real quick. Let you guys see if you guys got any questions or anything like that. Thoughts on Saitama V2? I'm on the fence about it, man. There's some good things about V2. There's some bad things about V2. Not gonna lie to you. V2, Saitama V2, I feel like will be beneficial in a certain extent, just because they will be able to take control of the contract. They took over a contract that was already renounced. They will be able to add a marketing wallet into play and not have to use other cryptocurrencies for the marketing wallet. So that would be a benefit. They will be able to restructure the contract wherever they want. Like Saitama, I feel like will be really it'd be really beneficial for them to get one of those Brew Labs contracts maybe, and actually get it to where they have a treasury contract, to where they have a buyback, just because there is so much volume within Saitama. If they had a buyback kind of initiated within the contract, the buys and the sales, especially if they had a higher tax for the initial launch period, just imagine how much money would get locked up in that buyback wallet if it was like a 2 or 3% tax, and then they added a marketing wallet. So That will be very, very interesting, I feel like. So it'll be interesting to figure out. Hopefully they do something with that. Not mad at it at all, because they said they've explored the options, the good, the bad, but no, they are not officially doing the V2. It was just an idea that was brought up in an AMA, and a lot of speculation right now. So like I said, we'll see how that does end up panning out. I do not think they're going to end up doing a V2. It's a lot of people to move from one side to another. It'd be different if they only had a couple thousand or a couple hundred, but a couple 100,000 is different. So that's something that we're also going to have to look out for. What's up with Crypto Pats? Baby Fat, we're still waiting on information as far as their V2. If you tune into the Telegram, they do have the whole scope that I went over in one of my shorter videos for K-Pats, and some more info as far as K-Pats also. So just really waiting. In 2 days is when it's supposed to be delivery time for the contract. So should be some announcements in between that time, I'm sure of it, or an AMA take place maybe. Or you don't think they'll do a V2? I mean, you never know. You never know. Yeah, I feel like, you know what I mean? I just feel like it'll be a really large migration. They would definitely have to go through somebody like Everrise with the Ever Migrate process that they have, or Brew Labs has a migrating process also. So we'll definitely have to listen out more from that. But I just don't see them doing a V2. Just too much additional work, I feel like. Plus, everybody's doing a V2 as of right this second. So I don't know if they want to join the boat as far as V2s, but it did help a lot of different cryptocurrencies get more value into the project, and kind of help develop a floor as far as the project also. You know, every once in a while I go in and check the floor. Right now, 0.65 is the floor for a gold one. So it's creeping up towards 1 Ethereum. That's what I like to see. So that means I got pretty much 1 Ethereum in my wallet. This one is a combination of different things. Crystal, which the floor pretty much is 1 Ethereum for those. Then it also is radioactive. I think this floor is a little bit lower, but it's going to end up being way higher. Way higher. I don't know why this is so low, besides the fact that people want liquidity. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pretty much 5 before 1 Ethereum, and then it goes to 2 Ethereum and 3 Ethereum, and then pretty much none are listed. So this is going to be interesting, right? I think this one, just because, where is the person at? This person listed for 5 Ethereum, and this is a rose gold naked one. I think mine is probably going to be double, or if not a little bit more than that one, probably like 7 Ethereum. So that's almost like 8 Ethereum between two NFTs. One I paid 0.35 for, the other I minted, and a couple other rarer ones. So this is why I like NFTs, man. So at any given time, these are really easy to sell. Like, this is a low ball offer, but you know what I mean? If I was into low ball offers, I guess I can go for that. Only 49 of these, which this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 before a 2 ETH floor, and then it flips to 5 ETH, and then none are listed. So it's just the small things, you know what I mean? Like the small things that matter. But yeah, I'm trying to capitalize for when this bull run comes and people are playing with a decent amount of money and they want to get into these NFTs, and we collaboratively kind of raise the floor and kind of put it where we want to. So if you want to be in this club, you got to pay, almost like the Bored Ape. So I got too many apes. I may have too many. I don't know. I got other stuff in here though. But that's way too low of an offer. Ooh. I need to get some more juices also. Let me see what the floor of these are. The floor of these are actually pretty cheap also, I think. 0.55, yeah, it was 0.6. So it's been going up and down, so going up and down. But these are gonna be valuable. But I'm not buying, I don't think I'm gonna buy anything until I get my money situated for bulls and apes. Once I get ready for bulls and apes, I'll feel a lot better. I'll be situated, ready to go. As you guys, hopefully you guys know, they're doing a third mega space, so they're gonna be giving away ETH, going over their tokenomics and 6-month money back guarantee also as far as their project. So you guys might want to tune in for this one and see what's going on with that. But other than that, I won't hold you guys too much longer, guys. Like I said, hit me with any questions you got. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and end her out. And I've definitely enjoyed you guys, man. But hit me with any last minute questions or get out of here. Ponzi Pandas. I'm actually I've heard about that one. Not really dug too deep into that one. I'll have to look into it. But the next one, like I said, the next one that I will be purchasing will be either more queen apes or it will be bulls and apes. I know you asked me last time I had the Kishi apes, the KAs. I don't have any Kishi apes. But not seeing too much. I know it's a little bit of a delay, but I won't hold you guys too much longer, guys. Like I said, appreciate you guys for coming out tonight, man. Was fun as usual. We'll definitely try to do this more. Probably have a chill and chill type of day. You guys can come up with different projects that you guys want me to pop up. Look at the chart. We can kind of map them out a little bit and see maybe some good investment opportunities maybe yet, depending on volume, trends, things of that sort. So not 100% science, CA is not 100%, but it does help a lot of the times kind of investing closer to support level. So maybe we'll do that a little bit more often, kind of kick that off. But other than that, let me kill the music and go ahead and hit my outro. You guys enjoy the rest of your night, morning, evening, wherever you guys are at. And keep cuffing that dip. I'm out here.